Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer your cryptocurrency from Coinbase to SafePal in 2025. Whether you're new to this or just want a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will have you moving your assets securely in no time. Why bother? SafePal offers top-notch security with its hardware wallet, making it a smart choice for protecting your digital treasures. First things first, before we jump in, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a verified Coinbase account with some crypto in it, and a SafePal wallet app or hardware device set up. If you haven't done that yet, pause this video and get those sorted. It's crucial for a smooth transfer. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account on your computer or mobile app. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets or Portfolio section and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Step 2. On the asset page, click on Send or Withdraw. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's address. Now, switch over to your SafePal wallet. Open the app, go to the wallet that holds the crypto you're receiving, and copy the wallet address. Pro tip: double-check that the address is correct to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 3. Paste that SafePal address into the Recipient field on Coinbase. Make sure to select the right network. SafePal supports networks like ERC20 for Ethereum, so everything matches up. Enter the amount you want to send, and review the transaction details, including any fees. Step 4. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll likely need to verify it with two-factor authentication for added security. Once sent, keep an eye on your SafePal wallet. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the crypto to show up, depending on network congestion. A quick word of caution: always be aware of gas fees or network costs, and never share your private keys. If something goes wrong, check your transaction history on both platforms. And there you have it. That's how you transfer crypto from Coinbase to SafePal in 2025. It's that simple. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and happy transferring.